Hey guys, welcome back. Today what we're going to be doing is the final step, and that is mounting this on a canvas. And what I'm going to be using is E6000 adhesive, the clear kind. I found that this works better than pretty much any other super glue. I've tried Gorilla Glue, super glue, hell, pretty much everything, and this works way better than anything that I've tried. And this one right here is about $5 a tube, so it's not too expensive and it's well worth it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start around the outside edge, make a nice bead, about one bead in from the edge, because when you push it down that's going to spread outward. Alright, now that we have her on the outside, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go about every inch or so and put a dab. Doesn't have to be pretty, just gotta be covered. Alright, so now that we got it covered, now we're going to put it on here, and we are going to smooth it out with the tool that came for the Cricut, the vinyl maker. And it's this bad boy right here. This is nice because you can get actually underneath the edges of the canvas with it. Now we're going to flip it, and I'm going to take this, and I'm going to smooth out that glue. And what I'm going to do is set some weights back on it. And we're going to wait about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and see how it looks.